Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a car rental website in WordPress. So, if you want to know how to done, this video is for you. So, as you can see right here, I've already logged into my WordPress. You can see in here my homepage. So, what I can do instead is to first make a structure of the actual website that I will be creating. So let's first visit the site to see what we are gonna work on. So as you can see, this is a default page of WordPress. They have the who we are here, contact us, and all of these things right here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to head back to our dashboard right here on WordPress, and you can see in here your site setup. So we need to give our site a name. You can also edit it out however you want, and when you scroll down you should be able to see in here some quick links, and you can also own a domain or build a site for this one. So let's head over and then set up our site. So let's head over and then enable post sharing, and then once we have clicked on this, we should be able to share posts to our actual websites or the connected links or connected accounts we have right here. So they actually allow Instagram, MailChimp, Google Drive, and all of these things right here. So you can connect all of these things in here. You can see in here that they have a business tools option. So let's try to click on that. And as you can see, you can grow your business with these tools right here. So QuickBooks will allow you to create and track invoices as well as generate profit and loss statements. It is actually an accounting tool. So let's click on this manage your finances right here. So let's first start with that. You can head over and then buy your QuickBook right here through the link that they have provided. And then once you have bought it, you should be able to integrate it to your actual WordPress. So you can also see a lot of things like finance, sales, or everything right here. So for now, let's first head over and then edit our website. So click on this edit site right here, and then you should be able to open the editor for WordPress in here. So for this, as you can see, this is my store. So let's just wait for that to load. So this is what my website looks like right now. So let's first head over and then try to edit out the actual menu that we can see in here. So let's click on this line, and then once you have clicked on it, you can see that this is header. Click on edit right here, and then once you have clicked on that, this will open the header. Now you can just look for the pages that you want to edit or delete. For example, for me, I'll delete this thank you page since I will not need it really. So click on the three dots, click on the delete right here, and as you can see, it will be deleted. So just head over and delete every page that you don't need. Like for example, for me, there's a double home, so I'll delete that. And there's also a double about page, I'll delete it as well as the blog, because I don't really need that since this is a car rental website. So I have deleted most things, like for example this ones, but you can also rearrange them however you want. You can add them before certain things, like for example the about page, or add blocks from in here. So as you can see, this is what it will look like right now. Now let's head over and then edit out the page that we will display our car on our car rental. So let's head over in here on our home page or to the product page that we have. So you can head over to your product page in here. So before that, let's first head over and then save this progress. Click on save, and as you can see, this will save our progress on our web page. Now let's head back to our actual dashboard. And then in here you can see these things. So click on this pages and you can manage the pages. So for this one, let's try to put the page of the product page that we have. So here's our product page. So click on it, and as you can see, this is still quite blank. So what we can do is we can just add a block right here. So for example, you can put in here a slash like this one, and you can add in here some pictures of the car that we are gonna rent. So let's put in here an image, like for example, let's put in here this image right here, and then let's select an image we want, click on upload, and then let's add this image of a Ferrari that we will be adding on our car rental business. So as you can see, this will upload like this one. So you can also add another block if you want as well, and in here you can add a paragraph. So for this paragraph right here, let's put in here something like Ferrari F8 for rent. And then in here, you can also include in here the price that it will take for this one in order to rent it out. You can utilize the slash icon right here in order to add some more things on your actual product. So you can also click on this plus add icon right here, and you can search for things that you want. You can click on this browse all, and in here you can also add in here some buttons or anything that you can add in order to make this an actual car rental website. So let's click on these buttons right here. And then as you can see, there will be a button. Now for this button, let's add in here rent now. Let's name it rent now. And then for this button that we have, we can actually add or select this parent button, change or edit vertical alignment, as well as the more page right here like subscript and input. Now when you click on these three dots, you should be able to create a template part, edit this as HTML for your actual thing. Now you can actually dictate what this button will do on your actual website. So for example, for this, you can click on this edit as HTML, and now you can edit out this actual button. So for example, for this one, you can edit out the button class as well as the image or the text that you want added in here. So let's just save this as is right now. Now on this, you can click on the button, and then you can see this link page, and you can actually link it to the checkout page that you have. So just head over to the checkout page once we have clicked on this specific page. Now let's save that. And then once we have saved, we have now one entry to our car rental business. So let's head back in here to our dashboard. And now that we have our actual page or the actual product we can do, we can head back to our dashboard or home page on our store. Add another block right here, and then put in here a slash, and then put in here payment. Now you can see these options for payment, payment buttons, donations, paid content, as well as paid with PayPal. So for example, you can click on this payments right here, and then you can choose payments for payment buttons as well as paid content. So for this one, let's choose payment buttons. And in here, you just need to connect your Stripe to use this block on your site. So click on this connect option right here, click on connect Stripe, and then make sure that you leave this site right here. So for now, let's leave this site, and then this will direct us to our actual Stripe. So just wait for the Stripe right here to finish the loading process, and in here you just need to sign up to Stripe and then connect it to WordPress through this progress. So once you have connected that, you can head back to your website and you can add some more features. Another option that you can do is you can click on this slash pay, and then you can see this pay with PayPal. So if you don't have a Stripe, you can use PayPal in order to accept payments to your WordPress. So click on this pay with PayPal, and then this will upload this right here. So you can upload in here a product image. So for example, for this, let's click on upload, and then let's upload the product image that we have earlier, and then let's put in here a title name. And for this one, let's put in here Ferrari F8. And then describe item, rent a Ferrari F8. And then you can put in here the currency on the price of how much you're gonna wanna rent it. So for example, let's rent it for 500. And then you can put in here your email, or you can also put in here the email that you have created. So for example, for this one, you can put the email for your PayPal. And then after that, you should be able to connect your PayPal. But you can see that this one is actually a paid feature as well as the Stripe one. So you can click on this upgrade right here. And then once you have a click on this upgrade right here, this will redirect you to the payment or to the plan page that you have on your WordPress. So let's just wait for this. And then as you can see, you can choose the WordPress plan that you have. They have these plans right here for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You can also see in here the amount as well as the billing information. So just put in here your billing information. You can see here the total, and then just subscribe to their plan in order to receive payments in your car rental website on WordPress. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.